Let's talk about the rules of combining things with significant digits. So I'm adding these two numbers together. I have 4.0 and 3. Again, this is because I'm rounding off to the nearest tenth. This represents 3.95 to 4.05, whereas this represents 2.5 to 3.5. And so when I add them together, I've got to realize that this is a much fuzzier number than that is. So when I add them together, I got 4.0 plus 3. Well, in math class, they teach you add up, they got a 0 there, decimal point, and then you have a 7.0. But then suddenly, this number right here has gained extra significance because we added it to something with more significance. Well, that's just not the way the world works. Because in reality, at the low end, this is 2.5 and 3.95. So 5, 4, carry the 1, 6.45. And at the high end, I have 3.5 and 4.05. 5, 5, 7.55. But when I add them together, I get this. Well, no, there's some big rounding in there. And so we lose that one. So when you're adding, you look to the one which has the least precise rounding. So we rounded to the ones place here. And so our answer will be rounded to the ones place. So if I have 453.2 plus 71.68, well, it's not the number of significant digits, it's the place that right there indicates the least precise measurement. And so when you add them together, you add them straight up. So that's 8, 8.4, 2, carry the 1, 5. And then you round off to that place right there. So this is 524.9. That is officially the answer if you're dealing with significant digits. This also brings in another bit, is the fact that you keep track of all the other ones, all the other places that will eventually get knocked out until you get to the very end. Significant digits is about the presentation. So let me write that down. Significant digits is about presentation. So let's do a couple examples here. Those are the rules for addition and subtraction. So 4.079 minus 0.25, 9, 2, sorry, not borrowing again, 8, 3. Since my least precise number here is to the hundredths place, then this goes to the hundredths place, so 3.83. 7.94, 20. Add those together. Well, my least precise measurement is right here. So this is 49.72. Doing it backwards. And then because my least precise number is to the tens place, this gets rounded off to the tens place. So this becomes 30. Now, while you're doing a measurement, because in science it's usually a measurement, why you're doing this out to the hundredths place and this out to the tens place, I don't know. This is probably some bad science going on here. But my final presentation is indicating that I feel confident out to my tens place. I don't feel confident any greater precision.